guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ibeth and I typically do home decor DIYs, and room transformations. And today I'm finally decorating our Christmas tree. I know that I might be a little late. I'm really behind on videos this year, like with me decorating for these kinds of holidays. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, for Christmas, I wasn't being too excited, and it's because I wasn't feeling very inspired. I wasn't really like I can't wait to decorate my tree. I slept it off, and I actually have some really good decorating ideas that are not very common. I feel like I'm bringing the 90s back. I've been racking my brain trying to find different ornaments. Like I wanted different textures because all I have are my DIY ornaments that I made last year. The famous Hobby Lobby and Michael's flocked ornaments, which I think they're very pretty, but we need different textures. I saw some really pretty paper ornaments that I was like, oh my gosh, these are just paper. I can totally DIY this. I always think this about almost everything. I don't know why. I think it runs in the family. We're very DIY people. I, of course, went on to Pinterest. I found a really good one and I came up with this right here. I will actually link the template that I used from a blogger I found on Pinterest. I think that the shapes that she has are very pretty, but for some reason they're not working in my Cricut. Like I want to use my machine to cut them for me, because otherwise I will be here for a very long time and probably not even get this video out for you guys on time, and I want a lot of them, and this is only one. So I'm trying to make figure out something with my Cricut. The cool thing about this also is that you can come up with different shapes, different colors. The possibilities are endless. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I spent so much time yesterday trying to finish or figure out actually a way of cutting out the shape for the ornament that I wanted. I think that this is actually a really good project to take on with when you have a lot of time. I lost so much time yesterday. My plan was to film and have everything done yesterday. It just didn't happen because I was not gonna let it win. This is what I came up with, the circle, and I love this color a lot, but sadly, this project takes a lot of paper, and I only bought maybe like 2 or 3 sheets in this color, like in a 12 by 12. So I don't think I'm gonna get that many ornaments. I mean, 3 is gonna be fine, I think. But yeah, definitely a lot of work. I added the bead on the top and one on the bottom, and I think it looks so cute. I love the details. With that being said, I love details. So I am going to use also these really pretty hooks, ornament hooks that I used last year. They have like a little rope detail, and I think that it's very pretty. I got them at Target last year, and I don't know why. Why did they not bring them back this year? I'm so upset because I love the detail that it gives. Like, it's just, I don't know. Something about the tiniest little details does it for me. Especially with the brown ornament. I think that it looks so cute. Oh, I also found these ornaments at Target, and I thought that they were so cute. I know this is so random, I know. I'm planning on mixing metals on my tree. And I also, you guys, I'm going to take you back to the 90s for a second. I'm going to use beads, which I think is crazy or wild to me that I'm going to do this. but I just thought it would look so pretty. For some reason, I just thought like the color of this is gonna look so good with the rest of the ornaments. And it's just gonna add that little bit of elevated look, in my opinion. I just came up with a way of kind of making like that bow look on the tree, I guess in a much easier way. So I do have the little ornament hook, and I'm just going to simply put it in there like this, like that, and just hang it. And it's so much easier.